This is exactly how to play Lego Batman on your PC with a controller. So firstly, what you need to do is to connect your controller to your PC or laptop. And there's three ways to do so. If you can do it wirelessly, perfect. Or if you have to have, for example, an adapter that you have to connect to your computer, you can do that as well, of course. Or if you have like a wire that you have to connect, you can do that. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to show you wirelessly, but it doesn't matter. Just connect your controller how you are able to, basically. So if you have a wireless controller, just turn it around like this, swipe it to Bluetooth right here, to the Bluetooth symbol, and then turn the controller on. And then after that, put it into pairing mode. So for me, I have to click on this little button here to be able to turn it into pairing mode. You can see when it runs like this for me, it's in pairing mode. And then we have to go to settings on our PC here. So I'm just going to go into settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, and then click on add device, and then click on Bluetooth right here, as you can see. And then I'm just going to click on show all devices, and I'm going to wait for my GameSir here to be able to show up. Sometimes it takes a little while for it to show up, by the way. So I'm just going to click on it once again. Yep, here it is. So this is my controller here. It's called GameSir G7 Pro. So now once it's connected here, my controller, I can now go into Steam, which is going to be the last step. So I'm just going to go into Steam here, and then I'm just going to click on the logo in the top left corner here, as you can see, and then click on settings, and then click on controller, and make sure that your controller is you're actually able to see it here. And if you're able to see it, you can click on begin setup here, or you can also click on advanced settings, and make sure that you have enabled Steam input for Xbox controller if it is an Xbox controller, or if it's a PlayStation controller support here, make sure that this one is enabled as well, by the way. So when you click on begin setup, you can see you have to click on the A button here. So I just have to click on this one, and then click on the B button here, and then click on the X button, press the B button, and then X button here, and then the Y button, and then the D-pad, up, down, left to the left, okay, like this, and then like that, and then up, and then down. I believe that I can actually skip this. I mean, it should work, to be fair. I'm just gonna skip all of those here. So yeah, it should work then. I mean, you should, to be fair, you should actually complete this process, but once you do, you will be able to connect it here and then play Lego Batman with your controller on your Steam. And that is basically exactly how to actually do this.